Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable dark mode on google.com. If you want to enable dark mode in Google of your all websites, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your Google Chrome app, and here you just have to open the search bar and just enter a code, which is Chrome, then enter colon, then slash again, and then you just have to enter flags. After entering that code, just go to next, and here go to search bar and just search for dark mode. Just search for it and you can see the option of dark mode. You just have to tap on default and then select enabled. Now tap on relaunch, just tap on it, and now you can see I have successfully enabled dark mode in my Google browser. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.